Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video we're gonna introduce you this newest product in our store, the MDF Cash Cake, or you may say Money Cake for sublimation. You can see three different shapes we got right now in here that we are suitable for different occasions. Like this one is in a cake shape, so it will be suitable for some celebration, birthday or weddings and such. And this one we got for the graduation cap, so it will be very suitable for the upcoming graduation season. You can take some of these to try out. And also this arrow to the heart kind of shape will be suitable for maybe like all years long to show your love to your girlfriends or boyfriends and such. You can see this product consists of three different parts. The major parts in the middle of it comes for double-sided sublimation, and also you can see there are a few holes in here. These two are put the little stick in, so to maintain the balance of the product. And also there are two another boards that comes for single-sided sublimation only. You can see we got a lot of different holes in the first board where you can roll the cash and put them in to use as a decoration. And detachable designs will make it very convenient to do the shipping, to save you some cost in shipping, and also it will be portable for you to take out a party and such. Okay, so we'll cut to the chase and we'll show you how to do the sublimation on these products. We will recommend to print them under 180 degrees Celsius for about 60 seconds. If it's the first time you do this MDF product for sublimation, we'll recommend you to do a few more seconds. That won't hurt, to make sure the printing effect shows best as it can. Okay, so you see we got one of these sublimation papers on. Remember, when you sublimate on this MDF product, you don't have to mirror the image. Just put it as the way it was and it will be perfectly fine. And also, before you do the sublimation on this MDF product, always remember there will be a plastic film on the surface of it, and you need to peel it off before you do the whole sublimation. The film is to make sure that it won't get any scratch during the shipping or the coating. And so here we got them all peeled off, and just put it in the chest image right here, and then stick it with the heat press tape to it. Make sure they are stick firmly, that it won't move around in the heat press machine. And then we put it to the sublimation machine right here. If you have a large enough machine, you can sublimate all three of them all at once, which would be more convenient. The parameters of the sublimation is 180 degrees Celsius for about 60 seconds. Okay, so after 60 seconds, and now let's see how the sublimation develops like. Quite clear. The image were perfectly printed to it. Now the middle part. Yeah, it looks quite clear as well, this one. And the back side can be sublimated as well if you would need to put some more images on. For the time being, we'll spend more time on it. And for the final one, that's printed just as it is. So now I'm going to show you how to install this product to us. So for the very first part, you need to put this with the hole, which means where to put the cash on the top. so much we talked about today. The same printing method you can apply to different MDF products as well. Just remember all the things we have talked about before. And if there are any further questions about the printing, just leave your comments below and we'll get you